Hello everyone, today I'm going to quickly talk about this Hayward 250K BTU. This is absolutely amazing. It is doing really good job. I'm using this for my 32 by 16 feet above ground pool, and it is doing really good job. Let's quickly take a look at how it operates. Here you have bunch of options. Here you have pool and spa option. So if you are on the pool, the maximum heat you would get out of from this is 90. You can see it might be flashing on the camera, but it's just showing you what's the current temperature with like blink. So once you are on the pool, the max 90. So if you want to go above 90, you have to put it on the pool, the spa option. And once it's on the spa option, you can go up to 104 degree. So it doesn't really matter for the operation. It's just the heat setting. I don't know why they did that, but that's what it is. So here, once it's burning the gas, it tells you with the green light here. So I guess it's flashing with the camera, but normally it's steady green light. So here you will see green light, and if you see any color here, amber color, it will show you like something wrong. Maybe the pressure on the water is low, or some other thing like the gas. It tells you. You can check the user manual. It will also give you some error code here. Keep your user manual in handy. You will be able to see those. So the installation was really easy. So let me go this way. This comes with the unit, the black part, but the white part you have to do it. You need to get a plumber, or if you are able to do it, you can do. We got this from Home Depot, and just uh, whatever direction you need to go, you can just put them together and it will work fine. So that's what it is. And for the electric line, you cannot just plug this in and be done. No, that's not how it works. This has to be hardwired. The electrician, he just put it here, a new line, and it goes all the way here. And we put a switch box here. Just this is like waterproof. Once we are done, I just usually shut this off from here. I don't usually close it from here. As soon as I'm done, I just close from here, and it's just giving me peace of mind, so I don't have to worry. And the exhaust gas comes out from here. Do not touch this while it's operating. It is hot. So the exhaust gas comes out from there. You don't have to do anything else for the exhaust, and it is doing really good job, guys. I've been using this last summer, and I had really nice extended session. I was able to use up until end of October, which was amazing. Before that, I wasn't even able to go beyond August. So this is really good, and you can see that's the pool. It is huge, and it is doing absolutely great job, and it heats up really fast. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.